Hi friends, welcome you all. This is Krishna. Welcome to my channel Krishna's Global Trends. Masks. So we are in the corona days now. So how can we wear the mask? So what are the precautions we need to take before the mask as well as after using the mask? And what kind of the different kind of masks are available? And how can we clean that masks? And what are the different kind of masks are available and how to use that one and how to protect from ourselves from the coronavirus as well as corona bacteria as well as from the other kind of germs from the outside persons which is not going to infect our body as well as to our family as well as to our friends and relatives. So we are in we know very well the corona is spreading like anything germs from the other persons. So if you touch your nose like this and if you touch your finger like this or your eye or your ear, so it is spreading and it is coming to your body and it is making you the positive corona positive. Okay, so in order to avoid that we are using the masks. So in our daily life, like our shirts and like our t-shirts, like our trousers, so now we are hanging on our houses, right? The same way we are hanging now the masks. This is our new lifestyle. So that's the hanging of your so this is my hanging of my mask. This is my mask. So I will show you how to use this one and how to make this one. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and hit that bell icon so to get the future notifications whenever I upload the video. So straight away you can watch this video and you will see the face mask. Okay, so this is what we call as a mask for the coronavirus, that is a medical mask. What will happen if you don't wear this mask properly? So wearing mask straight away is not the case. There are certain kind of things required to go for the mask wearing. If you don't wear the mask properly, you will get the breathing kind of problems as well as you will get some kind of headaches and you will feel some kind of dizzying problems. Okay, so these are all the problems you will get. Even of course the main thing, if you are not getting the sufficient oxygen to the brain, so you may lead to the brain kind of issues, as well as if you don't get some certain kind of oxygen to the blood cells, so automatically you will lose your strength. So that is the power of the oxygen. If you don't wear this mask properly, so you don't get the oxygen. So how to wear, how to be safe? So from the mask we will see how to wear the mask properly. Okay, so in order to protect from all these kind of issues and all kind of things. So the first thing is, if you go, there are different kind of masks available. See, N95 mask is the one of the major masks which we are going to use in the nowadays, as well as even with the new technologies and the new kind of innovations, so you are getting medical mask. This is the medical mask. You will get blue color and as well as white color, and some cases you will get even with the cloths, different type of cloths. By making different kind of layers with the cloths, you are going to get the masks as well as with the fibers. So majority of the recommendable mask is cotton type. So cotton type masks if you wear, especially for the cloth point of view. Of course, if you get the N95, that is well and good if you wear the N95, and if you get a medical type mask like this, you can wear very effectively. So if you want to go for cloth type, go for the cotton type. That will be very effective and recommendable. So if you wear that one, you will get breathing very effectively. Okay, so right now see the N95 mask. If you are wearing the N95 mask, so at the point of nose, especially like this, here this point of view, you will get more sticky. It will stick more to the nose as well as to the face. So that is the reason why majority of the medical doctors or nurses they used to get like a black marks here. Okay, that is the drawback of N95, but it will be very safe. It will protect from the various kind of germs spreading from the other persons. But the precautionary thing you have to take care of if you are wearing the N95 mask is get functioning. If you are using N95, better you can get the relief for every 1 hour. So remove slightly and you can use that one for you can go for 1 hour. Every 1 hour take the normal breath and again you can wear. So that is the best way to go for it. Every N95 means every 1 hour you have to take the normal oxygen, normal breathing. Okay, so that you will get the sufficient oxygen circulation, so you don't get any kind of headaches or any kind of lacking of oxygen to the brain as well as to the blood cells, so that will be very fine and effective. No dizzying effects also will occur. So that's the N95 case. And if you at the end I will tell you the precautions, even how to remove that mask, also any kind of mask. The second thing, if you are using the medical type of mask, so the first thing what you have to see, the blue color, so which is available in the blue color, it should be outside, and the white color which is available, it should be to the inside, to your nose and the mouth. So if you are at the white color, even at the here, you will find here a normal shape, and at the time you will at the top you will get like a stick type. So this stick type of the shape, the portion, you have to take to the nose part. Then open this one, these two threads, then make it here and keep like this, and adjust yourself to the sufficient place, this one, and here you will get more gap here. Okay, so in order to avoid that gap, you have to press like this. You have to press so that you don't get any kind of if you are talking, or if you are sneezing, or if you are getting cold or cough, it won't go to the outside. So it will be in a stable condition. It will stay with inside of only this circumference. So don't spread outside. So that is the why you are using that is the main purpose of the mask. So in order to avoid spreading of the cough or a cold, or any kind of sneezing, or any kind of germs to the outside. So if you don't wear properly, if this, for example, if this kind of sneezing, if you are not properly using this one, the germs will come in this way, and it will go your eyes as well as it will go to the outside persons. So that is the biggest problem available with this mask. So that is the reason why you have to stick very properly, and you have to adjust yourself very properly. Okay. Then how to remove this one? For example, if you are going outside and you came from the outside, so how to wear directly? Is it possible to wear directly like this? No, this is wrong. So what you have to do? So first keep like this. Don't remove this one. Okay, you have to keep straight away like this, and take this sanitizer, or sanitizer is not available, so go for the soap and water. So if you clean the hands properly, then come to this point of the threads, extreme threads, then remove it, and keep this one very effectively. Keep in disposal area. If you don't keep it properly, because you came from the outside, it is contaminated from the other persons as well as your germs. So if the other person's contaminated germs are available, if you touch like this, and if you touch your chair, or if you touch your sofa, or if you touch your furniture type, and if your family members come to that point and if they touch, so that germs will go to their hand, and if they touch their nose or eyes or mouth or nose or ears, so they will get the coronavirus again. So that is the reason why it should be you have to keep this one in proper place. And if you want to reuse, keep this one in hot water, normal hot water. Keep in normal hot water will be 70 degrees minimum. Even if it is more also, no issue. So if you keep that 70 degrees water for 30 to 40 minutes, it should be on hot water. So then again you have to remove, and you can go for dry, then again reuse. That is if you want to reuse the mask, so that is the procedure. Don't keep in your washrooms or restrooms or somewhere else, and don't keep it again. So it is having the virus, it is having the contaminated. So you have to avoid that contamination. So by any means, with the hot water, then you can dry it and you can reuse again. That is if you want to go for the reuse. If you don't want to reuse, for example, if you are using the cloth type, or if you are using the low quality type of mask, so keep it properly and keep in your plastic cover, and you can keep in the garbage disposals. Okay, that is the safest way, and to be safe yourself as well as to the others. That is the best way and the best thing required for the face mask. And if you are using, as I said before, cloth type of masks. So the cloth type of masks, especially with the cotton type of cloths, is very best, and it is very useful for you to breathe. If you are using N95 mask, every 1 hour you have to take off, and if you are using medical type of mask, every 2 hours you have to take off to go for normal breath. And if you are using cotton type of or cloth type of mask, every 4 hours must to take off and take the normal breath in order to strengthen our blood cells as well as our brain functioning. So if you don't go for this one, you may get kind of headache problems will come, and sometimes even some kind of skin related problems also will come. So in order to avoid all these things, we have to wear the mask very properly and very cleanly. And some people, if they will get some kind of itching or irritation here, so if for that cases, so try to use the tissue paper around here. So take the tissue paper and take your mask, just keep like this, keep like this, and make like this and wear it. So this will be the safest way, and this will be the safest way to wear the persons who are getting allergy around here, and that will be very safest way to use the mask. So that's the precautionary things as well as how to wear the mask and how to make. And so see, I hear so many examples and so many kind of problems with this kind of hand mask, especially the persons who are coming from the outside. Of course, they will wear the mask directly, and they will straight away they will come to their homes and they will remove the mask straight away like this. That is wrong. No, that is not at all recommendable. First, sanitize your hands, wash your hands, then remove gently this thing with the threads, and keep this one in proper place. And if you want to reuse that one, go for hot water for 30 minutes and you can reuse it again. At the middle, they will get some kind of itching kind of issues around. It may be on the, for example, if they are wearing the mask like this, if they are wearing mask like this, at the middle they will get some kind of itching issues either in the nose or in the forehead or in the ear or in the mouth. So they what they will do, they will keep like this and they will touch like this and they will touch straight away like this. So if they touch like this is the germs. Why? Because it is, you are in the outside, so it is exposed to the outside environment, and the outside germs will come. It is contaminated with the outside germs. So if you touch like this, and if you touch here or if you touch here or if you touch here, so the virus will go inside. That is very dangerous. Okay, so if you get any kind of itching kind of things either on the nose or in the face or ear or mouth or ear, so hand elbow like this, that will be the safest way. So instead of directly using the hands, okay, straight away you can go for the forehead, so that you can remove any kind of itching kind of problems to your face or as well as to your hand. So this is the ways to use, and this is the way how to be safe. See, we have to be safe, then only we can protect from the other family members as well as to the other relatives or whoever it may be. So first we have to be in control. So we are all together. So everyone has to be feel responsible, and if they are safe, then only the other persons who are near to him as well as who are near to him as well as the near to his society, all will be in a safe condition. So wearing the mask also, it is not at all 100% preventable. So that is being a social distance, being a physical distance, minimum 6 meters from one person to another person. So being the mask directly and I am safe like that, no, that is not the right way. So you have to be maintain a distance. 6 meters is from the one person. If you, even if you are in the outside or if you are in the supermarket or any kind of a place, so 6 meters minimum distance is must, and social distance is must. So this that is what this kind of problems we are facing in the pandemic days, and these are the way how to use the mask. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit that like button, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to write the comments below, and most importantly, make your day as a great day.